Today we're currying chicken and fish in a style. We're doing curry fried chicken, curry fried fish. You do not have to go anywhere. You can stay home and create and do your own cooking. Look at my chicken. I'm using the green part of the scallion and I'm using garlic. My rice and peas cook already. You see it look nice and shelly. Oil in a pot, fish in a pot, fish ready. See there, you don't have to go to hotel. Stay at home and create your own meal. Never lock my door down no, because me now share my food with nobody. Oh,
Look on the curry fried chicken.
ready. Under my bed, me a eat this. Oh,